Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, the Happy Cultivator, and I'm here with a little unboxing of the GOQO TOMO Smart Temperature Controller. So let me open it up and show you what's inside. So what I have here is a smart temperature controller, and you can use this to run your fans as well as your air conditioners and heaters for your grow room. Let me open it up and show you what's inside. Here is your little instruction booklet right here. Smart temperature controller. And basically what it is it's a plug-in unit that monitors the temperature in your room, and depending on whether it hits your minimum temperature or your maximum temperature will turn on your heating and cooling within the room. Right here is where you plug in. You're going to have one plug for your heating and one plug for your cooling. You would plug the unit into the wall, and then here you have a temperature sensor, and it plugs in with a C USB that is right here on the side of the temperature controller. Now I don't need this unit within this 5x5 here, as it is running off of the NEWA Grow Hub, but the plan is this is going to run the heating and cooling in my Flyzon 3x3. So with that, guys, stay tuned and I will be showing you this thing up and running and how it works. So with that, guys, like always, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.